Long-term care Medicaid-compliant caregiver agreements. Say that 5 times fast. Long-term care Medicaid-compliant caregiver agreements. Long-term care Medicaid-compliant caregiver agreements. It's a mouthful, but it's also very effective. What are they and how can they help you and your family? Those type of agreements can allow for a family member to be put in place to care for a loved one or for you, and you pay them for that care under the benefits rules, even within a look-back period. Long-term care Medicaid can't say that you have to hire someone who's unrelated to you or someone who's an outside entity or outside of your household. It cannot work between a spouse because long-term care Medicaid considers household assets as one thing. So husband and wife as one economic block. However, if it's a daughter, a son, a sister, a brother, a grandchild that's really coming in and giving care several times a week, could be every day, could be someone who is required to be there 24 hours a day for sitter services, to help going to the grocery store, to help with house cleaning, and to help make sure someone gets proper medications and just everyday meals and care. You can pay someone to do that for you under the long-term care Medicaid benefits rules. But you have to do it with a specific type of caregiver agreement called a long-term care Medicaid-compliant caregiver agreement. We certainly help people understand when it's time and the right strategy to put in place a long-term care Medicaid-compliant caregiver agreement. And we draft those documents to make sure they're exactly correct and comply with the long-term care Medicaid benefits rules. And oh yes, they also are compliant with Veterans Aid and Attendance pension benefit rules also. So it is a good idea to meet with an attorney like myself, an estate planning, elder law attorney really, an elder law attorney who does this specific area, to understand when it's right to employ an agreement like that and to make sure it's drafted correctly. There are a number of elements that need to be in that agreement to make it long-term care Medicaid compliant. And we would love to help you navigate the ins and outs of the strategy and to put in place the correct agreement if it's needed. I'd offer a free consult to sit down with you or your loved ones to talk about long-term care Medicaid compliant caregiver agreements or benefits planning in general. You can take advantage of that free consult by calling 1-888-999-6600 or going online to mcelderlaw.com/scheduling to schedule that free consult today. Thank you.